Howdy guys, this is George Reid with the McPherson Cars Club. I'm here interviewing Sam Arant, and what are we looking at today, Sam?
This is my 1977 Pontiac Trans Am.
How long have you had the car?
So I had the Trans Am. I got it freshman year of high school, so I had about 8 years.
You're old.
Yeah, I'm old. But it's been my daily driver ever since I bought it. So.
Any big, massive changes?
Other than the paint scheme, it's she stayed about the same. It's been more of a consistent repair sort of vehicle. Since it's been a driver, I've just kind of kept it alive.
Now, I gotta ask, I see a lot of stickers and different sayings on it. Do they all have a special meaning?
Yeah, a lot of it's just not too many inside jokes, but a lot of just kind of how my sense of humor works. So a lot of Saturday Night Live stuff.
It describes you as a person.
Yeah, it's a lot of funny stuff, but at the same time, I still have to be able to drive it to church.
Where do you see the car in 5 years?
Well, it's obviously not, for me, it's not something I'm ever going to sell. To me, it's not, I wouldn't gain enough from selling it, I'd lose all the memories that I have with it. It definitely won't get painted.
Yeah.
It's not getting painted. This is it right here.
What would you say your favorite, best memory in this car is?
It was actually after my freshman year of college. My internship ended up placing me in Indiana, but I left from Kansas City, 'cause that's where I live, and it was just the experience of, my mom and dad asked me, like, so is the car gonna make it to Indiana? And it was just turning around to him and being like, I don't know, I have no idea. And it's just jumping in it and driving 10.5 hours straight with no exhaust and
All the good stuff.
all people waving to you. It's just fun,
Yeah, it's a life-changing thing. Well, hey, thank you. Thanks for letting us look at your car, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.